the best husband ever. And he got me the Canon G7X Mark II. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep looking up here because there's a screen here. I'll get used to it eventually, but I'm gonna try and look here instead of there. Don't mind the mess. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Jamamas. So, yeah, I'm just getting used to this camera. It's beautiful. The quality is amazing. I'm so excited to vlog with it and take it places and do all that fun stuff. So, yeah, I'm very excited. So I'm just gonna get ready now, and then I'll be right back. So windy. I'm gonna go in the cars. Can't wait for him, he takes too long. It's so cold today. Oh my goodness. It's windy and it's cold. Okay, let me get in here. I can't. Alright. Let me just put the key in. Let's put that heat on, boy. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh God, here he is, playing Madden. Right, boy? I'm gonna go get ready. Hello. So we're in the car now. Well, I'm in the car. He just went to go get the mail out there. So we're heading to the mall now. We may stop off at Wendy's because we haven't had breakfast yet or anything to eat all day, and it's like 5 o'clock. So, I think we're gonna get something to eat and then head to the mall.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go up on the house?
She's trying so hard to get my snack, and it's not happening. Get here. Yep. Look at that.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh shoot, it's not supposed to be that close.
It's gonna go right in front of us.
Oh no, it's behind. It's just a illusion. Look how pretty.
It's so weird.
Wait.
It looks like it's moving.
Yeah.
We hit a power line. No, they got control of it.
You guys on the floor. Oh.
He's bouncing around.
That's so cool. Mom made us some delicious Christmas Eve breakfast. She made corned beef hash and eggs. And apple juice. And puppies. Puppies. Spider-Man? Is that you? Got it. Oh. Who are you now? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Oh my gosh.
With snowman pajamas? I don't know.
He's off duty, I think.
Is that pretty? Okay. Nice clothes.
I got a scarf.
It's a nice sweat. You got Venom? That's his noise?
Yes, Lucille.
Oh my god! Big unicorn
Wow, you got
He's gonna open it, I know.
Oh my god.
Today, and then you pick it
Negan versus Venom.
Oh my god.
His belly
Explodes. Oh, how lovely.
He eats too many burgers. It's not good for him. Okay. 4.
So what is that?
Any color.
Any color? Ooh. Two. What do I do? In here?
And then push his head down 2 times.
Good time? 1, 2.
Open it. Open it, Maisie. Open it.
What is it, Mama?
Maisie.
What is it, Mama?
Get it up. Get it up.
What is it, Ophi?
It's a tree.
What? What's oh my god.
And Maisie got a tree.
Wow, Ophi.
And Santa got her.
This is so cute. Let me see. Ophi, let me see. Here, Oph. Maisie likes it. Ophi, let me see. Yay! How cute.
Take that paper over there.
How
You gotta fix the background.
Maisie.
It's a foot.
I got a foot. Not bad. Doesn't say cool.
Merry Christmas.
They're crazy doggies. What? He's gonna get mad. What are you doing? ¿Qué es eso? Oh man.
Make it bacon.
Keep those strips thin, right? That one's too thick.
Just don't make it more thick. Watch your fingers.
Yeah. Man, he's getting it all over the box. Season with the sazon. Is this your first time seasoning a pet meal?
Pardon me. Yes.
Look at all that boya. Oh boya. Boya, oh boya, everything.
The same salt and pepper seasoning, okay?
Oh, throw it
Now I
here.
have the Goya.
No, put it there. Okay. Now you put your bowl. more than that.
You want it too salty.
Oh yeah, you do.
Can't. Oh, see, I went ahead.
Some stuffed
I went ahead
shells.
with the adobo in hand.
So I cook the meat and shred the cheese. Make some stuffed shells. Christmas Eve morning, stuffed shells. Here we go.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know.
You gotta
This is so much Lego.
yeah, you gotta follow the process in the box, okay? To make the little figurine.
There's so many Lego.
Oh, Pete, get out of there.
Lego again.
Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest.
I'm wearing my penguin face mask. It's very hydrating. It's crooked. It feels so good. See how it works later. Hi, babies. I'm in the back of the car waiting for my mom to sit next to me, and we are going to be headed to Ikea. I'm so excited. I love Ikea, and there's no Ikeas by our house in Jersey, but there's one by my parents' house in Jersey. So we're gonna go over there. I'm so excited. So, see you in a little bit. Show me around.
This is my kitchen. Designed it myself.
Very nice.
It's got nice gray accents and a nice view of the city.
What city is this?
This is New Hope, New York. And
This is called Paramus, New Jersey.
this is my office.
Oh, I like that. I would love this makeup desk. Look at it. It has top part, the makeup section. You can do your little hair stuff there. You got shelves up there. Set up here, little lamp. I would love it. We're looking at artwork. Artwork for the house, but I don't think we're gonna get anything because yeah.
I didn't like this one, but we're gonna pick that one.
Which one?
The one with the road.
Yeah, I told you that one was nice. That one over there. Over there. Yeah, that one's nice. We walked around this whole place and I think we're almost done. Haven't gotten too much. Just a few little things. There's a doggy. I like your hat.
Thank you, I got it at Marshall's.